Hello, in this video we'll see how the candidate registration is done. So firstly click on new candidate. Here you need to enter the candidate details. So the name, contact number and the email ID are the mandatory fields. Without that you cannot save the details. So if you save, it says please fill all required fields. So let's enter the details. Next, select the contact number. Next is email ID. So while entering the email ID, please remember you cannot repeat the email ID which is already exists in the system. So if you do so, the system will not accept and it says email ID is not valid, already exist. So the email ID has to be different. And next, save it. So once you click on save, the other options gets activated. The first is the KYC and documents. So here you need to enter the KYC details and save it. Next you will be directed to qualification. So here in qualification you need to enter the academic details like 10th standard, year of passing, the school name, percentage, and if you want to upload the mark sheet, it has to be in a PDF format, and then you can click on upload file and choose a file which is in a PDF format and save it. So upload it successfully. Next, so likewise you need to enter the PUC details, graduation, post graduation, and next save. The next option is experience. So the candidate who has applied has an experience in IT company. So and here you need to mention the company where he or she has worked and the joining date, experience. So here you need to enter the year. So 6 years, 4 months. And next you can enter the details, special remarks and the hobbies and click save. So once you click on save, here in experience you have one more option of editing. So if you just simply click here, you can edit the details. So as per the requirements, you can change the details. And also you have an option of uploading experience letter, which again has to be in a PDF format. So you just click, select the file, PDF and upload it. So upload it successfully, OK and save. Next you will be directed to job looking for. So here in job looking for, the candidate is looking for in the same field, that is IT company. You can mention the expected salary, submit. Select the job preferred location, submit. Here enter something about the candidate's profile and next save. Next is applied job details. So if the candidate applied for any job, so you can select the company name and submit, where you can see here the company name and the job requirement details. So the requirement is for the programmer post. So next, save. And then comes the final resume of the candidate. So in this resume, you have an hide data and show data option. If you say hide data, the contact email and the address of the candidates gets disappeared. If you say show data, then it's get displayed. Okay, and the next is the print resume option. So if you click on print resume option, here you will get a print format of your resume like this. So you can simply click on print and take a print of it, and then finally save it. So this is how you can register the candidate details. Now the registered candidate details can be searched here by name, okay, and edit the detail. Okay, so this is how you can view the saved details. Now the next thing is, next, if you want to make any kind of changes in the existing data, so here you can simply click, like for example, if you want to make any changes in the name or address, email ID, Aadhaar card number, so you can just simply click there, date of birth, and say show report. So once you click on show report, only the selected menus gets popped up. So here you can click on the same and make the necessary changes if required. Okay, okay. And the next thing is, so if you want to download the data into Excel or a PDF format, you can just simply click on Excel and the PDF. So data gets downloaded very easily. Thank you.